Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore goal-based planning with Empower Personal Dashboard, full guide step-by-step clearly. Open the Empower Personal Dashboard. Log in using your credentials. Navigate to the dashboard homepage. Locate the goal-based planning section. Click on the Restore Goals option. Select the type of goals you want to restore. Review the list of previously saved goals. Choose the goals that align with your current objectives. Click the Restore button next to each selected goal. Adjust any settings or parameters as needed. Set deadlines for each restored goal if applicable. Review the priorities of your restored goals. Update any metrics to track your progress. Sync your dashboard to reflect the changes. Take a moment to reflect on the restored goals. Create an action plan to achieve each goal. Schedule regular check-ins to monitor progress. Utilize any available resources for support. Stay committed to your goal-based planning journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.